Our Chief Technology Officer, Paul Doherty, begins conversations with our clients with this. How can we think about your AI in a way where honesty, fairness, transparency, and accountability, as well as human centricity, can really be at the forefront of your deployment of AI?
Right. There's been a lot of discussion in terms of what the various principles governing AI should be. People usually start from Isaac Asimov's famous 3 laws of robotics, but Satya Nadella's 10 laws of AI or the Asilomar principles are other recent examples. But there are many others as well trying to determine what ethical principles are of application.
Paul is in really great company.
At heart, they're all trying to get at some sort of set of universal values. Now, I'm not really sure that there really can be a universal set of values that apply globally, across cultures, communities, and enterprises. But I think it's right, though, that there are core themes that are common across the philosophies.
Yes, exactly. So when we started taking and translating what Paul was talking about and thinking about how we apply this to clients, while there are these consistent themes, what we really need to start first with is understanding the client's value system and how that might be changed as a result of AI. You can't take one company's value system and try to apply it toward another. For example, our set of core values wouldn't be the same, or our core ethics wouldn't be necessarily the same or described the same way as with a manufacturing company or even a highly regulated company.
That's right. Instead, we need to create a framework in which key principles like responsible AI can be deployed practically. Our responsible AI framework addresses the imperative to govern. That's to create the right framework to enable AI to flourish, anchored to a company's core values, ethical guardrails, and accountability frameworks. To design or architect and deploy the AI with trust by design built in, including building systems that lead to explainable AI. Around operations, to operate, monitor, and audit the performance of the AI against key value-driven metrics, including with respect to algorithmic responsibility, bias, cybersecurity, and to reskill. So we need to democratize AI learning across an enterprise's stakeholders using, for example, Accenture's My Learning technology so that we can reduce barriers to entry for individuals who are impacted by AI.
There are many different points in which a client can join us on their responsible AI journey. But one of the very first things that we want to talk about with our clients is how do you think about your core values and your ethics in light of AI? And we use design-led thinking to kind of bring that to the surface so that we can re-illuminate a company's core values and really drive toward a value-driven requirements gathering in order to deploy their AI.
In other words, we're turning the lights on, not just in deploying the AI, but in helping organizations make it responsible.